First of all, good morning to all of you guys. We're gonna make pie crust and for the GIZZADA crust too. The pie crust is for the plantain tart and the GIZZADA crust is for the GIZZADA with the coconut filling. First, 5 pounds of flour, 12 ounces of sugar, 1 pound, 8 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of shortening, 1 tablespoon of salt, three eggs. Step 1. So we're gonna combine the flour, the butter, the sugar, and the salt together. Again, 16 ounces of ice water. So you gradually put it together. You don't want to knead it, okay? You just want to just rub it gentle. That's it, could get that real flaky. So we're gonna combine it together now. Okay, after this, we just gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until we get ready to roll it. Alright, step 2, we get it ready to make the crust for the GIZZADA. So, rolling pin, press it out, and then we started to roll it. The flour just to make it slide on the table. So we roll the dough 1 centimeter thick, and then we're gonna cut it 4 inches round. Right now we just gonna form the shape to make the GIZZADA. already shaped the crust for the gizzada, so we're gonna just do a couple holes in it. Okay, next step, so we're gonna add the filling. The filling consists of coconut, cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg, and vanilla for the spices. Okay, next time we will have a separate video to show you how we make the filling for the gizzada. Is ready to enter to the oven. So we preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it's gonna bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Golden brown.
So hey my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. So chef slash baker, because he does both, Lloyd is back visiting us today, and we were so excited to have him because we had so much fun in the kitchen. And here we're here to present some gizzada. It's a Jamaican treat. We eat it any time of the day. So here is our gizzada. And this is coconut gizzada. You already saw how Lloyd did the dough and everything.
The filling.
And we will also have a separate video for the filling. Right, Lloyd?
Yes.
All right.
In approximately 1 week's time.
Oh, guys, you hear that? In 1 week's time. So thank you guys for watching today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen, because you just never know what's coming out of Fergie's Kitchen, all right? Thank you for watching today, and big up
Chef Lloyd.
Baker
Lloyd.
All right. I love you guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.